Right, I know it's late, it's after 11, but hey, I want to do this for you because I'm just going through my playlists on YouTube, and you see, I've got this video already playing on YouTube, but it's a standard Windows Movie Maker, right? And because it's a standard Windows Movie Maker, I was able to put the modified surround sound analog 360 degree wide mode surround sound soundtrack into the Windows Movie Maker so that you people could play it in your bog standard stereos. But not only is it in wide mode, it's also analog surround sound multi-channel stereo wide mode. It's not stock standard stereo as you would expect, but full wide mode, full left channel, full right channel. And from there, because I also use this surround sound quad duplexer decoder yet again on full wide mode, I gain ultra full front and ultra full rear or back, which means I'm taking your standard left right. Oh, I got a tea leaf on that finger, doesn't look good. I have standard right hand over there, and as you can see, it's in that field of vision. I have standard left channel over there, so have you. But I play wide mode left hand side, or should I say, I play the front mono of these two, which is not actually there, but the mono of these two is at that point there. So it's there. It's not center, it's not front, but it's about 2/3 of the way towards the front because it's exactly split between left and right. There. Then I take the third channel that I am able to produce, this one, the full back channel. Now I play the full back channel on your stereo in the left hand wide mode. I play your standard bog standard mono in the wide right. Now what that does, it allows me to take these two channels, play them there, and then take a front section of these, which is the mono of these two, and the rear surround of these two there, and these two are now 180 degree opposed like these are. Well, in fact, these are not, yes, these are 180 degree opposed, but they're not 180 degrees separated. Whereas these are now 180 degrees separated via that. So I'm getting full rear surround in your left hand channel. I'm getting standard right left mono in your right hand side front. Very loud, very mono, but the difference between these two is that I take the mono of these and the surround of these and split them 180 degree apart. And that gives me 4 channel surround sound, which is completely different to the original track in stereo. And yet, it is the original track. Because as you saw on here, I played it on this little baby here. Okay? Now, I'm going to kick this through, and it's been 4 minutes already, so that's around about the right place, because that's about here in the, we'll go back a bit, we'll go back, around about, yeah, 2:39, we'll go back to there, okay? And all I'm going to show you is this, playing in surround sound, 8 channel surround sound there, playing in left and right on your stereo, plays in quad surround wide mode brilliantly here. I've had to deaden the bass so that the neighbours won't Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm still holding the cell phone. I haven't made that little unit for fixing it yet. Where's that button going? There it is. Remembering that is full rear channel. That is full, no sorry, that is half front standard mono. This is my wide mode left, that's my wide mode right. No, sorry. That's full rear, that's full half front. But because I've twisted them, I'm now making this a frontal mono, that a full rear on this quad system. Completely different. And yet exactly the way it was recorded. This uses a stereo feed from the stock standard Moods tape. That's groove with your head, isn't it? And it's playing here in wide mode as well, which is 6 channel, 0.2. Brilliant! I love it. Oh, to turn the subs on, that goes nuts. I'll turn the sub off. minute to go, folks. 1 minute to go. Battles rock. Woo! And my station. And the fun mobile. Anyway, half a minute, folks. Half a minute, and I think you'll get the drift from that. I have beautiful surround sound because I make my own. Well, I could, of course, make it for you, but then I wouldn't be the only one in the world that would have it. Okay, bye-bye.